How to turn on VPN on iPad. First, you can go to your settings, and from settings, you can click on the search at the top left and just search for VPN and click on VPN and device management. From here, you can click on sign in to work or school account, and from here, enter the VPN's detail to connect yourself to a VPN. If you don't have that, the next thing you can do is download a free VPN from App Store. I'm just using this VPN called VPN Super. Now I can open this VPN. Once I open this VPN, so wait for some time. I'm just going to click on accept. I will just click on don't allow because I don't want notification. I will just click on proceed with ads at the bottom and continue. From here, if I click on just like connect button, I need to choose allow. Once I do that, my setting will open up and I need to enter my phone's passcode and I'm good to go. That's how you guys can turn on VPN on iPad. Subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.